A travel TV producer wears many hats. Today's hat is a chef's hat because Chef Dan is going to show us a traditional local Christmas cookie because, of course, on a Christmas market cruise, half the fun is the baking, isn't it?
Yes, of course.
Chef, what is the cookie that we're making, and tell us about it and where it's from?
We're making a vanilla kipfel. Actually, this is traditional Austrian cookies. They make them for Christmas most of the time.
So you promised you would put me to work.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, so what's the first step? Butter?
When I do cooking, most of the time when I do cookies and breads, I always start with dry ingredients first.
Oh, okay.
It's always easier to mix up. So we start with our almond flour.
Our almond flour, all of this, it's pre-measured?
It's pre-measured.
Pre-measured. Almond flour goes in there, okay. So almond flour.
Then we add the sugar, preferably vanilla sugar.
Oh, vanilla sugar, okay.
Then we add the flour.
Flour.
You can use any kind of flour, all-purpose works.
Okay.
Then we mix.
And we mix her up.
Mix it up. We don't have KitchenAid, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Mix it by hand.
I like the old-fashioned way.
Me too.
I don't have a big mixer at home. I
don't
it all
have
by
myself.
hand.
I prefer by hand. With hand, it's always working.
I agree, and you can feel it when it's right.
Then we add the butter, preferably room temperature.
Room temperature butter. We're going to have to cream that in, are we?
Yes, and then
all of this room temperature butter needs to be cut into it until it's completely absorbed. There's no eggs, there's no anything else. So it's really almost like a shortbread, is it?
Exactly.
It's like a shortbread, okay.
Now we add the vanilla.
So this is vanilla powder.
Yes.
So vanilla
It's
powder
mixed
goes
with three
in.
different kinds of vanilla inside.
Right. Oh, so it's very vanilla-y.
Vanilla.
Okay, so this needs to still get that butter worked in there. There we go.
Then it's spread it in two.
So that is hard work to get all of that butter in. Okay, and split it in two?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Then we make two balls like this. We roll it up.
Okay.
Butter though. Oh, you're doing better than me. To be honest. So what we do now, we cut it in 17 centimeters, if possible.
That's very specific.
So we take this part like this.
Oh, and now we work it into a little crescent moon shape.
Yes. Some of the people serve it with, before you take it out from the oven, you dip it in vanilla sugar.
Oh,
And
I bet that's tasty.
Yeah, that's very nice.
Is this your favorite Christmas cookie?
It is.
It is. It's a lovely crescent moon shape, which also feels Christmassy, of course, right? You know, the stars and the moon and the story of Bethlehem and... All right.
Wow, your last one is great.
Perfect, thank you. So now we would finish these, they go in the oven?
They go in the oven.
Until just cooked, you don't want them brown, you don't want them just set.
Yes.
So off they go into the oven.
After.
So chef, these are just barely, delicately browned out of the oven.
Here we add a lot of sugar powder.
A lot of sugar powder, okay. Just right on top.
Right on top.
Oh, I see, yes, there we go. So now we're adding a snowy element. Very wintry looking.
Very wintry.
Yes, and they're perfectly cooled at this point, so
Yes,
the
of
sugar
course,
will stay. Okay, so now we have our
Vanilla kipfel.
vanilla kipfel, and they're almond, crescent-shaped almond with lots of icing sugar on top. So it looks snowy, and they're a perfect Christmas treat. Are you going to try one, Chef?
Yes, definitely.
Me too. Cheers.
Yes.
Delicious.
Very nice.
A lovely Christmas treat with Christmas, as you say, Rudeshammer coffee,
Rudeshammer coffee, of course,
or
definitely.
glühwein,
Blue wine.
or tea or coffee.
I prefer tea.
Me too. A lovely Christmas treat. Thank you.
Thank you.